So I'm joined by Aeroflex and Nick Carter. Nick, hi, nice to see you.
Hi, Mark.
So tell us about Aeroflex a little bit. Obviously they're well known to the infrastructure vendors. Why should operators and carriers be looking at Aeroflex?
Okay, so as you say, we've got a good reputation with the network infrastructure vendor community. Our TM500 Test Mobile product is used to test almost every base station there is on the market right now. The reason why a carrier might be interested in our products are twofold. One is because of our leading edge roadmap. So we release capability on our Test Mobile ahead of the silicon vendors. So right now there's some hot features like carrier aggregation, for example. And then secondly, the other reason why a carrier might be interested in us is the fact that we can simulate tens of thousands of devices in a box, and that allows them to do some validation and regression testing in a lab environment prior to rollout on the live network.
So tell us about some of the current hot features for carriers and how Aeroflex products can help address them.
Okay, so carrier aggregation is a big one. You've probably seen recently in Korea several vendors have been doing live trials of carrier aggregation. Many of them use the TM500 Test Mobile as part of those trials. So we've been really pleased to be able to kind of support that. Other features are capabilities such as beamforming, for example, and in particular combinations of higher order MIMO schemes in conjunction with carrier aggregation as well. We've got a lot of interest in those.
Okay, so lots of things to talk about. What are you demoing here at Mobile World Congress?
Okay, so behind me I've got the 5G demo that we've got running up in here. We are part of the 5G IC. It's a group in the UK. It's a consortium. Really our job as part of that group is to make sure that some of the concepts and some of the algorithms that are being thought about for 5G are actually realizable. And we've managed to realize one of these concepts on the TM500, and that's what we're demonstrating here today. The other demonstration that we have is Wi-Fi offload. So again, that's of more interest to carriers here and now. We have an end-to-end test system that's able to hand off data between LTE and Wi-Fi without any data loss, so it's a seamless handover.
Okay, and I know you've also recently acquired a company called Shenik.
That's right, yes.
Tell us about what that means for your customers and how that's going to change your business.
Okay, so we've been working with Shenik as a partner for the past 3 years. We're really pleased with the integration of the Shenik product with the TM500. So in terms of our existing customer base, what it really gives them is obviously security of a one-stop shop from an Aeroflex viewpoint. We're also interested in the opportunities that Shenik bring in terms of the IP technology side. So Aeroflex have historically been market leaders on the air interface RF side. Shenik have been leaders in the IP technology side, and obviously the combination of the two is a great one for our customer base.
Nick, thank you very much.
Thank you.